Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be going over how to set your Windows 10 theme to dark mode. Before I begin, give this video a like, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and let's begin. So Windows 10 dark mode. So if you guys are familiar with your phones, Androids or iPhones or different apps like Facebook or Instagram, there's a setting to change it from light mode to dark mode. Windows 10 also has a similar setting. Now this setting can be applied for certain applications in Windows 10. Some may not all change over to dark because it's the developer's decision to decide if they want to create a dark, quote-unquote, dark mode. So let me just show you how to do it, just so you have an idea. So you want to go down here to the Windows Start button and click on it. From here, you want to click on the gear, just settings. And then from here, you want to find personalization. Alright, and then from here, you're going to see background and then colors. Click on colors for me. Alright, so as you can see, it says choose your color, choose your default Windows mode. I have it on dark already, but if you had it on light, you just switch it over and choose your default app mode. I have it on light, I'm going to click on dark. So as you can see, it turned the background of the settings black. If I go back to light, it moved everything back to color white. Here where it says choose your Windows default Windows mode, if I do light, if you look at the taskbar, it turned white grayish color. That's what I had originally, but I did switch it to dark. So I switched to dark, and I'm going to switch this to dark as well. So yeah, that was just a quick video on how to set Windows 10 to dark mode. If this video has helped or you think it's cool, give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys on the next video.